Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict because of no rehab, but you know, I'm going to give you guys advice. So, we in this little S10 that I bought. As you can see, the headliner is down. It's a 95 S10. It's got a little miss to it, but I'm driving it right now, you know. Yeah, and it's missing the passenger mirror. Driver's side mirror. This truck is a little nice, but I ain't keeping it though. I'm really too tall for this S10. But first things first, you know, happy Monday. I want to thank everybody. You know, I appreciate everybody that's been liking the videos, everybody that's been subscribed. You know how we do every Monday. I'm gonna try to get back to doing like at least daily uploads. At least I'm gonna not try to do. And if I do daily uploads, I'm gonna go back to. I'm gonna just keep going back to dropping those little information videos. You know, little advice I can pass on. You know, because I want to just get back into the groove of content every day, you know. So I'm gonna try to get content on here every day and also stream every day, you know. So I'm trying to at least put 3 hours of streaming, at least get y'all about a good 20-minute video. So, you know, I'm trying to dedicate about a good 4 hours, you know, a good 4 hours of my day to content, like car creating content. But I can create the car content within my daily routine. You know, I can create the car content within my daily routine. This thing got a little miss, probably why the check engine light is on. But you can feel the vibration. And see, this is the old truck, so it's got like a distributor with spark plug wires. So the thing about it might just be the spark plug wires. But yeah, I'm gonna stop here in a second, then I'm gonna let y'all see it, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, I bought this truck for $450. You know, I'll sell it for. I know people in the comments be like, "Oh, that's junk. You can't sell it." Blah 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 blah. You can make money off of everything because everybody needs a certain type of vehicle. Some people just need a ride to work. Some people are gonna need this little truck to be just a little work truck. You know, people. Like that's why so many people are closed-minded. That's why it's so many people hard for them to make money, because like if they don't see like it's already like if they don't see somebody already doing it, they can't see themselves making no money that way. Like they don't see they projected, like people project all the time, like and they projecting what they can't do onto you. Like just cause you when you buy it, you don't think you can sell it. You know, don't say anything about me, because I know for sure I'm gonna sell it. I wouldn't have bought it if I didn't think I was gonna sell it. Because like, what sense does that make, that you go out there and buy something that I don't think I can sell? If I don't think I can sell it and make a profit, I'm a hustler, baby. Hustler. It's all about, it ain't even a hustle. You know, it's just all about just knowing your type of customers, knowing what buys and what sells. You know, it's all gonna make, like, you're gonna make money off of all, like, any type of car. Like, it's like, that's why I don't understand why people try to act like it's not that difficult. It's not like people be, let's just keep buying all the nicest, newest cars. Like okay, that's cool and all. You know, you're gonna buy all the fancy cars and all the cars is all cleaned up, and they still gonna take as long as the sell as all the other ones that ain't. That's the thing. Like people are like, oh, go out there and you gonna go spend more money, because that's be the thing. Like I never understand why people be saying, like, what people be talking about. Like, so you go out there, let's say I bought this truck for $450, right? It's got a miss, so that's what, spark plugs and wires. So let's say another $50, because it might just need spark plugs, it might need spark plugs and wires. So let's just round it up to $150. Me cleaning it out, me changing the oil, me doing a tune-up. This vent, I don't know if this is a blow-up motor. So let's say, okay, I have 700 in this truck, right? And I sell it for 15. I make $800, right? So I make $800. So what's the difference? And let's say, okay, so I made $800, right? And I made the $800 quicker than you did. Let's give you this $3,000 car that you sold for, like, let's give you this $3,000 car that you sold for $4,000. It took you a week, over a week. It took you a week and a half to get that right person that comes in that spends $4,000, because that person spending $4,000, and you know they're out shopping for cars. You know, it's a lot of people. You know, 4,000 or 5,000 people are out shopping for cars. They want to weigh their options and stuff like that. You know, so okay, yeah, you finally get the sale, but it took you a week, and a couple days, and you made $1,000, and it took me one day. I made $800. What would you rather do? Would I rather keep vetting customers over and over and over to make $200 more, or do I just want to make the quick 800? Because then I can make 800. I can make, if I got a car that's ready and I can make 800 on, I can make 800 that day. I can make 800 the next day, 800 the next day, next day. So I can make let's say, just say 5 days. In a 5-day week, if I sold, because how quick the car sells, because you get them cheap enough. They sell within the day. If you post them, they're going to get sold, because there's somebody out there like, oh man, I got 1,500, you know. So they're going to sell. So let's say I sold my 5 cars and made $800 per car. That's $4,000 compared to you taking a whole week to sell one car and making $1,000. Like, you see, since that doesn't make that much sense to me. But hey, that's what y'all want to do, you know. I know people gonna be like, oh yeah, you can make more money. Technically you're not. Are you really making more money? Are you really making more money? If it takes you 2 weeks to make $2,000 off that one car, are you really making more money? Because in that 2 weeks, bills don't stop coming. So I don't understand. People just act like, I guess some people just ain't got bills or something. Because I don't know, people. Let me go stand up. Make my video right quick. I don't want to show y'all. Show y'all my little ST.
What you posting this for?
I don't know. I'll probably sell it for about $1,500. No, it's an automatic, mama. That's my mama. She always wants something.
You gave my other one away.
So, you wasn't never gonna fix.
What kind of cars y'all got right now?
Got all type of cars.
Man, I'm talking about good shape cars, man.
We got all type of good shape cars. We got all type of cars.
What y'all got right now?
A lot of stuff. What you looking for, man?
Man, what you got, man? I need something real, something new, man. Like,
And we got something new, man.
What is
It's a lot of stuff. We got Malibus, we got Impalas.
let me see. Let me got some pictures.
Nah, I ain't got no pictures. I ain't cleaned nothing up yet. But everything at the lot, just when you buy that, just look.
What years is it?
Like 14s and up, 13s and 14s.
What y'all want? I'm trying to buy one.